So hello and welcome back to another video. So this is take 2 because, sometimes I'm just stupid. Anyway, so in today's video, looking at the 1944 halfpenny coin. And this is a semi-key date for the period because if we look at the mintage figures, you can see they're only minted at Melbourne and there's 729,000. And that is because in 1943, they issued quite a lot of these coins for circulation. So that has a higher mintage. 1944, obviously they didn't need as many coins. And if you look at the values, so in very fine, $10, extremely fine, $40, and uncirculated, $200. And I've got these values by using the catalogue and just dividing by 2. But the uncirculated ones you can probably divide by 3, so about $150, $125. And there's only about 7 errors on this coin. And the errors that you can find are mainly die cracks and cuds. So just look for die cracks and cuds on any of them. Some of them probably have not been catalogued. But the other major error is the die fill in this region. So KG and HA is die filled, so they're pretty faint. Obviously in this one it's not. And also no doubling on that one, is you can get thick A's. And how you compare it if you don't have another coin of the same date is you take a 1944 or 45 or 46. I do have a 45 somewhere. Okay, here's a 1945. And you just compare the 4s. So those 4s look pretty similar. Actually, the 45 looks a bit different. That is, looks like the tail of the 4 is a bit longer than these two. So with 44 and 43, the 4s look pretty much the same. The 9s look a bit different. So the 1s looks like it has fishtail on the bottom. Actually, all the 1s have fishtails on the bottom. So anyway, that's how you compare the 4s and see if it's got a thick and different 4. So this one, on this side, you're just looking for die cracks as well. So that's a pretty good coin. And this one looks like it's probably in, no, I would say fine condition because it's missing the ear. If you want to, it's also in fine condition. Someone threw a rock at his head. So this one's probably in very fine condition. So as you can see there. But also this could be die fill, but you need it in better condition to make that a real factor. Because of the circulation, this one just might be wear and tear. The patina developed because it hasn't been in circulation since 1966, probably even earlier. But these would have still been quite common. I'm talking about the coins with George VI. Anyway, let's see how much you can buy them for on eBay. Okay, so here we have a lot of sold coins. The first things first, if you wanted to get a typeset, they do have these Dansko albums, and as you can see, has the mintage figures, gap for the coin, and I believe this is cardboard. So there you go, there's the covering. Dansko. This one sold for about $80, but I'm not too sure if this paper could affect the coin. So that's what you need to take into account when you get one of these. But if you wanted a typeset, this is a really awesome album to get. Or if you wanted to put capsules, I suppose you could actually make the hole bigger and put a capsule in there. That would protect the coin a lot better than just leaving it exposed to the atmosphere. Okay, so then we have 30 results, and as you can see, you've got $9. This one says uncirculated for 30. But if we look at the coin close up, you can see it does have a lot of damage. I would probably say almost uncirculated. So some people might say EF. So if it's EF, then $30 is fine. If it's almost uncirculated, more likely $100 would be a good price for that coin. Okay, so then we go down. And as you can see, you got a lot of 4 coins for $6.50. So if I wanted to get a 1944 penny, this is something that I bid on, or halfpenny should I say. $12, yeah, probably, yeah, that's a good price. This one, definitely a good price. Looks like a VF condition for only $3.20. So it depends. That one didn't have much competition with only 2 bids. Then we got $15 VF. Yeah, probably a bit higher, but that's okay. And we've got some another one, so free scarcer. I would definitely bid on that if I. Oh, I might as well just look at it now. So yeah, these look a pretty good condition. The coins are a bit dark, but they're probably like in very fine condition. So talk about $30 in general. That's how much those ones would cost. Then you got this listing. That's for 1 coin, but it, you know, people do get confused and think that it is for the whole lot. So in this case, you're probably better off putting 1 coin only in the heading, because a lot of people just don't read the item specifics or the item description. And then a few people probably complain. But most people probably go, oh yeah, I didn't read it, my fault. And then we have some more very fine. And this one, the year I was born. So that is basically the information that you need to know about the 1944 halfpenny. You can get it for like $10 in good condition. In uncirculated, you'd be paying about $200. But if you're going to get an uncirculated coin, you're probably better off getting it graded, because in that case, there's more of a acknowledgement that the grade is what the seller says it is. Anyway, hope this helps you with your halfpenny collection, and have awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Leave a comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also check out the links.